John Deere 5055E, 6 months old now. Sits inside 24/7, ready to tackle any job. Its predecessor was a 5055. Without the E. This unit has the after the regen system in it. Kind of a pain in the arse, but it works. Very smooth engine compared to the regular 3029 engine. Very happy with it so far. Switched up all tire sizes from a 750/18 to a 9.5/15 4-rib, and from 16 9/28 to 540 65/28. We do have them studded for the winter. And it's just like having a 4-wheel drive. Amazing what these little gadgets can do. Three-point hitch gets used all the time with our homemade receiver hitch system. Lighting package is terrible from factory, but we did put LEDs on the outside. Does have the bucket attachment along with the forks. Tractor is plugged in 24/7 to have it ready at any given moment. Gauge cluster is pretty well basic. Six months, 222, doesn't show up very good, 222 hours on the rig, and it's 6 months. See, the temperature is full operating temperature. This tractor has not run today. Very nice running unit. About all I can really tell you on this thing. 5055E John Deere, new in May.